Hi! In front of me is BLACKVIEW Tab 12 and today I would like to show you how you can apply iOS Launcher on this device. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Now type in iOS Launcher and get this free app from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Then, in order to use it, select while using and allow in all pop-ups. Then close your app and access Settings. Now click on Apps and Notifications. Select Default Apps and Home app. Lastly, just click on iOS Launcher in order to apply it and tap on Got it. So when I do that, as you can see, app layout was applied successfully on my device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!